Hi, my name's Damien Egan from Ocean Protect, and today I wanted to show you how to assemble a jellyfish cartridge. The jellyfish cartridge is used as part of our jellyfish stormwater treatment system unit. Each cartridge will come in two boxes. The first box will contain 11 tentacles. There are two types of tentacle length that we use. One is 686 millimeters high and the other is 1370 millimeters high. Today we'll be assembling the 686 millimeter high cartridge system. So there are 11 tentacles in here. There are also 11 rubber O-rings. The second box will contain the 11 nuts, the cartridge head plate with a gasket, and this will be the same for both two sizes of tentacle, and an instruction sheet showing you how to do it. So the first step is to take your tentacles and assemble them onto the head plate. For each tentacle, take a rubber O-ring and place it on top so that it goes underneath the head plate and the nut will sit on top. Now we do this 11 times, just finger tight at this stage. Right, so now they're finger tight, you just need to tighten them firm. They don't have to be hard. Because I do this a lot, I happen to have the right size socket, an adjustable spanner will do just fine. And there we go, a jellyfish cartridge assembled, ready to be inserted into the system.